Everybody can't control their dogs. Hey guys, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to get over a cold. That's why I haven't been filming, because I sound terrible. I felt terrible, and I looked terrible. I had my hair in for 2 weeks today. Today has been 2 weeks since I got my 2 weeks or 1 week. I believe 2 weeks since I got my hair done. And I want to tell you guys the pros, the cons of my hair, give you guys an honest opinion. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. The support really helps me. Without further ado, let's jump into this video, and I have so much to tell you guys. I have had some buildup in my hair. I washed my hair one time, and it was less than a week ago. And as you can tell, I still have buildup. Oh my gosh, I think it's just because my hair's dry. Like, my head's been really itching. I notice it more than I feel like other people do, because I had asked like several people how does it look to them, and they were like, I can't really notice. So what I do to decrease the buildup in my hair is I oil it, and I also use a leave-in conditioner. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I use, and I use this with my natural hair too, like without braids, and I just spray it in there, and then I just massage my scalp. And if you just got braids, a good thing to do is also use this, because it loosens up the braids so it's not so tight. It took a long time before my hair actually loosened up. It was so tight, guys, and I felt like I can't do any styles or anything with my hair being so tight. But eventually, like after I used the leave-in conditioner multiple times, then it did loosen up the braids. Another thing that I use is oil, and I used to always use this oil to grow my hair back in the day. It used to smell like, if you know the Dr. Miracle, I got this from the beauty supply store, and I used to use it when I was younger. And when I was younger, I felt like it had more of a strong smell, and you could actually feel it, because it is the Feel It formula. But I think they kind of like redid the formula, so because I don't think people liked it, I don't know, but I believe that's what it was. But it still works. It's a daily moisturizing grow oil, so your hair also grows, and it's best to put it while you have braids, because you can actually see like your scalp, and it's easier to like apply. So what I do is I put it on my scalp, and this prevents it from being so flaky looking, because it's actually moisturizing your scalp as you put it in. I think I already said that, but I'm just saying it again. And I noticed I put it on my edges as well, and from the last video I made, you couldn't really see my edges that well, but now after 2 weeks my hair grew a lot, and I'm so happy about that. So I just apply that on my scalp daily. Sometimes I forget, I mean, I'm human, but I do it as much as I can. What I also use for my hair is the Carol's Daughter hair milk, and it is a refresher spray, and it helps me from itching my scalp all the time. And I just spray that in these spaces in my hair, the parts in my hair, and then massage that in my scalp, and then I'm ready to slay the day. Okay, so another technique that I use, and you got to be super careful, because I don't want anybody to hurt themselves trying to get advice from me, is give me 1 second. Woo. Get a pot of hot water. As you can see, the steam on this baby. Let me see if I can do this on camera. You see these ends? These ends look ridiculous. So what you do is dip your hair just like they do when you first get it done. This was hard. Making sure you don't burn yourself with the steam. Bringing it out like this. And I do this frequently, so my ends look nice and they stay nice. As you can see, this looks better compared to this. So that's another tip that I have, and something that I did to take care of my hair as I had it in the braids. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, because it's so hard to do it on camera, okay? The next thing I want to tell you guys is how I style my hair on a daily. I don't really like it down all the time because like if I brush my teeth or something, this happens or it gets in the sink and it's really annoying. So what I like to do, I couldn't do this when I first got my hair done because it was so tight. So like I could not lift it like this at all. Like, it hurts so bad. I take my hair like this and I get a hair tie, put it halfway up like this, and I like to style my hair like this a lot because if I brush my teeth now, I just gotta worry about like these pieces, which I could just like throw back, and I could brush my teeth and wash my face and stuff like that a lot better without it being in my face. Last thing, this looks like a trash bag, but it's not. It actually is to protect my hair while I'm in the shower. And then once I bought it and then I took it out of the packaging, I was like, this looks like a trash bag. But basically what I do is put my head in here and then it kind of, oh my gosh, and then it protects my hair from getting wet. I'm not gonna put it on now. It's like a shower cap for braids, and honestly you could really just use a trash bag or like a bag that you get from like the grocery store. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you on my hair update, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys felt that it was useful. If you have box braids or this is your first time having box braids, and I've seen a lot of comments on my last video, a lot of girls want to try it and they're afraid to. Don't be afraid, you know. It's really good to, you know, experience things that you never have and see if you like it and see if you don't like it. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'll most likely be picking from, you know, whatever you guys comment, so it's really useful if you guys comment and like this video and share this video and all of the above. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!